It's another 4-star result for Mahindra. The all-new Mahindra Thar SUV has been crash tested by global NCAP and has scored 4 stars for adult occupant protection. This makes the Mahindra Thar India's safest off-roader. The car has also scored the same for child occupant protection, a very significant surprise. The only other Indian-made car, of all cars tested so far, to achieve the same was the Mahindra XUV 300, which also received 4 stars for child occupant protection. But the Thar's score is the highest yet. Alejandro Flores, Secretary General of Global NCAP, told us, "This test shows that it is possible to offer good safety performance in the Indian market. It is encouraging to see manufacturers that also offer high levels of protection for children traveling in their vehicles." The Thar demonstrates the capacity of Mahindra to improve its fleet safety.